Hi all, welcome to Pre-Phi-X. This is Mrs. Patel. I hope by now you guys have read my letter to you, especially if you weren't a student quarter 3. We're going to be trying out distance learning or e-learning. Nobody knows how long it's going to last, and we're just going to take it day by day. This video is going to walk you guys through the first assignment. So a little bit about me. This is me. I'm Mrs. Patel. This is my husband. I have 2 children. This is Kaya, she's 7 years old, and this is Covey, he's 3 years old. And these photos are from Florida. I grew up there, and I try to visit every summer. My daughter's involved in dance, so you see a lot of her dance photos there too. All right, so this week and next, we're going to be really reflecting on our strengths, our personalities, and our tendencies, to understand more about ourselves and why we do the things that we do, and also to understand others and why they make the choices that they do. All right, so you're going to start by responding to a question on the discussion board. So under classwork, you'll see class discussion number 1. That's where you'll see the question. You'll answer it. You'll talk about your strengths and so on, and then respond to at least one other classmate. Then we're going to move on to multiple intelligences. Chances are you've seen this in one class or another over the years. We're going to look a little bit more closely at it and see where we are personally. This chart talks through what each area is about very briefly. You'll look at those 2 diagrams and talk about what you believe is your strongest area and what you believe is your least strongest area. Then you'll watch this 4-minute video that talks about examples of what someone in each area would be strong at, and then you're going to come up with one example of your own for each one. And that's it. For this first week, we're all trying to keep our assignments very short. This particular assignment will be graded for completion, and yes, I'll nag you to complete it because I want you to do well with e-learning as well. But starting next week, the assignments that you do, I'll spend some time giving you feedback, wait for you guys to make corrections, and then input a grade on Fridays. If you have questions at any time on any assignment, my contact information will be on every assignment. Again, I'll post 1 assignment a week, and you can email me or text me. All right, thank you, everybody.